guys. You guys are funny. Alright. This would be parietal epicardium, the aorta, pulmonary artery, brachiocephalic, left subclavian, right subclavian, only right here, left common carotid, right common carotid, the axillary, you can probably see it better right here, the muscularis, superior thyroid, here's my thyroid which I destroyed, the laryngeal, the lingual, along the mandible you will see the labial, this little branch which is normally curved but in this case it's not is the external carotid, and going down here, posterior auricular for the surface of the ear if you remember from Anatomy 1, this internal mammary, these three together, vertebral, costocervical, thyrocervical. The one going down here, subscapular, brachial. Alright, here, the brachial will bifurcate into the radial and the ulnar. Now going down, the descending aorta. Oops. You will see esophageals. Here's the only one I could find without severely messing up my cat. On the other side you see intercostals. Following down through the descending aorta, the first one to branch off is the celiac. Awesome, and my splenic is actually ruptured. Yeah, I'm not too happy about that. So the splenic would be the one to branch off by itself. It's the first one. And then the two over here, on top of each other, this would be the gastric. And then below that is the hepatic. Going down, you will see the superior mesenteric. Gives most of the blood supply to the small intestine. The adrenal lumbar, first one on the left side, and then one coming up from here, but I don't have it, would be the phrenic. To the kidney, obviously, is the renal. And from the kidney to the bladder is the ureter. From the bladder to the outside of the body is the urethra. The inferior mesenteric, still on the descending aorta. Now on this side, closest to the colon, you will find the colic. On the other side, you will find the hemorrhoidal. We all know why it has that name. This is the iliolumbar. Gets that because it's in reference to the iliac part of the hip bone. Same with these. External iliac. Internal iliac. On this side, external iliac. Internal iliac. In the very middle, you'll have the caudal. Alright, now for the veins. Superior vena cava, azygos, which will actually run behind here. If you'll see, runs behind and then goes along the spine. If you can see. The inferior vena cava down here. Now these two join and actually go into the right atrium. Down here, the renal, obviously, same name. Now the common iliac is right here. It kind of runs in this cat between the external and internal iliac. Deep femoral are the first ones right here. The femoral. The popliteal, which which gets its name for the hollow spot behind the knee, right here. The saffronous. And that, my friends, is everything you really need to know.